Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Just like I've been showing you guys on my channel, I've been giving you guys wonderful strategies. Not just any kind of strategy, but VIP strategies. So do it to watch this video to the end. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you have amazing luck ahead. Okay, so for those of you using other brokers and all that, good. I want to tell you that so far so good. The Reef Broker has been the best. So, before we quickly go down to the video, I want to tell you guys some few things for account management, VIP signals, trading profits, and all that. You can message me. The link to my WhatsApp channel, to my WhatsApp per se, is in the description below. So you message me and I trade for you, and we make profit for ourselves. Okay, so guys, let us quickly head back on the video. So today I bring you guys a fascinating strategy that works wonders. Okay, this strategy works wonders and it's very wonderful. Okay, so before you go in for your trade, make sure you check the trend. The market here is trying to do a downtrend. This is how to check for a downtrend. Did you see this? Okay, can you see this? This is a downtrend, and here this is an uptrend. Here, same thing. Here is an uptrend. As you can see, that is an uptrend, but here the market is trying to do a downtrend. So we are watching. We'll go over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you see the downtrend that I talked about. You see here is a downtrend, and this is an uptrend. Okay, there's also a downtrend here. There's also a downtrend here. Okay, so guys, make sure you check all of this before you go in for your trade. If you see something like this, where there is no direct movement, just exit. Just exit the market, because you cannot tell the left and the right part of it. Okay, because it's not a straight market. But if you see something like this, here, this is an uptrend now, you go in. Okay, you go in for a trade. So that's why using the higher time frame can tell you if to go in for your trade or not. So the market here for the past 1 hour has been going on a downtrend. So entry position at this point can't be tell that much, but this strategy you can use it for spike and also for candlesticks. Okay, I would have loved to enter for a spike here, but because of the trend telling us that it's moving down, that's the reason why I'm still holding my position anyway. So let's see, let me check the trend back. Okay. So let's just hold a little. So guys, before you go in for your trade, these are the things you check. The higher time frame, this is on the boom 1000 and the 1 minute time frame. Those are the things you check. And if you want to enter in for your spike, just as you can see here, once it hits this level here, I'm not using 10 or 90 level. No, I'm using a line to indicate, because the market may fluctuate if you are using lines. Levels. But since we are not using levels, if the market is going down, the lines will be moving as well. If you watch here, you see that it's not as straight as here. This position here is as if it's coming down. The same thing here, the same thing there. The same thing here, here, and here. You can see that it's all of them, they are coming down. It's not on a straight move, but if you come down, you see that it's actually moving, which means it was on a downtrend. It was on a downtrend. So before you go in for your trade, you check here. Once it touches this level here, you enter in for a spike position. We're expecting a spike. We're expecting a spike for this place. We're expecting a spike, but let me check the time frame. Sorry. Let me check. Okay. Let me check the 15 minutes time frame and see. It's still reading down. What about the 1 hour? 17. Okay. See going down. Let me just enter for the spike and let us see. Okay. There's a small lot size here to go in for this trade. Okay. So we should be expecting a spike because it has hit the red line, which means a spike will occur. Okay, so we align it to read while I show you guys how to scalp for candlesticks. Now this is how you scalp for candlesticks. Here you make sure that here at this point, once a spike comes up just the way it came here, and once you see this line here that has crossed this blue envelope, you enter in for your candlesticks. You take like 5 to 10 candlesticks. Take at least 5 to 10 candlesticks. 5 to 10 candlesticks. So let me enter for more trade while I continue the video. Okay, so because of the trend, the spike may take a little bit time to occur, but just be rest assured that there is going to be a spike. There's going to be a spike. No matter how small it comes, just be rest assured that there will be a spike because it had touched the red line. Okay, so that's why I said if you check on the 15 minutes time frame, it's still reading downward a little. If you check on the 1 hour time frame, same thing. The candlestick has not yet completed yet, but I'm just trying to see how I can make this video as short as possible. Okay, let me enter in for more. Okay, this is it for this. While we check I will check for other entry position and explanation for the video. Okay, if you check here also, you can see this and you can see this. So this is an entry position where you take 10 to 5 candlesticks. Okay, when you are entering this, have courage, use a good lot size. This is not going to fail you guys. This strategy, I would say, is 99.9%. You can see here also. You can see here. You enter for your positions. So just like I said, the spike is going to delay a little. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 candlesticks below. So that does not mean we don't trade. We'll still enter in for more positions. And don't forget there's a boat, but for now I didn't turn on the boat for this video. When I made a deposit on this account, I made a deposit of $500, and this is how I've grown it in just a day, 24 hours, just 24 hours, using this same strategy that I'm giving out to you guys today. In 24 hours, I grew it up to 3,000 plus, which is like 3 3 times of my initial deposit. Okay, so if you're trading forex, don't trade in the open, don't trade in the marketplace, don't trade where uh, maybe you had an issue, you have a fight, and you start trading. No, you don't trade on those places because you won't be concentrated and you're going to lose a lot of money if you trade like that. So guys, don't forget to do account management. Don't forget to do account management. uh, the link to my Telegram channel, I'll be adding it soon on the link, the description below. But once I launch it, I'm going to tell you guys about it. So don't forget to like our channel. This for the boom 1000. Let me show you guys on the crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000. Okay, this is it for the crash 1000 here. It's similar to uh, the boom, but opposite. Now, once it touches this blue line here, you're going for a spike. Once it touches the blue line, you're going for a spike. Okay, once it touches the blue line, you're going for a spike. Just like here, this is a spike it occurred, and here also this is a spike it produced. Okay, so if you want to scalp for your candlesticks, you have to wait for it. Once it touches this level, this red line here, once it touches the red line, you scalp. Don't forget, it's just 5 to 10 candlesticks. Use a good lot size. Take the risk. Use a good lot size so you can make more money for yourself. Okay, so the same thing here, the same thing here, and the same thing here. So you scalp it. 5 to 10 candlestick, guys. Don't forget, it's just 10 to 5 candlesticks. Make sure you don't take more than 10 to 5 candlesticks. Okay, so I will pause the video here while I okay, let me just quickly show you guys the settings and everything. Okay, let me just show you guys the settings and everything. Okay, on the settings now, I'm using just 3 simple indicators, which is relative strength index, the envelopes, and the moving average. Those are the 3 indicators that I'm using for this video. Now on the RSI, which is relative strength index, my parameter is 10. Apply to exclude. Style is 1 pixel of white because we don't want that color to be visible, and level is, I don't have anything on my level, as you can see. So on the envelope, the period is 70, shift is 0, deviation is 0.900, method is simple, apply to exclude. Upper band, there is a line up, is blue, and the lower band is red. So before I show you guys the moving average, do want to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, give us a comment in the comment section below if my strategy have been working for you. And don't forget, guys, we do account management. We'll trade for you, we'll make huge profits, I will share it. Okay, if you want to join my Signal group, no problem. The link is also in the link to my WhatsApp is in the description below. You can message me to join for that. Okay, let me quickly show you guys the last indicator, which is the moving average. Period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to exclude, and style is 4 pixels of black. 4 pixels of black. 4 pixels of black. So guys, that is it. Guys. Let me switch to the boom 1000. Okay, so as you can see, we are reading on profits, on good profits. Okay, so I believe I've been able to convince you guys. Okay, with just a small lot size that I'm using, just a small lot size. If I had to use a lot size of 1, I've boosted this account to almost 5,000. You can see, you can see I'm closing a 1-1 because my boat is not turned on. Don't forget, if you want the boat, the trading boat, there's a video I made with it in the description below, so don't worry to check it out. As you can see, we just made some profits. I just made some profit from this spike. Don't forget, when we entered our trade was somewhere here, and while we were actually making some entry positions while I was explaining, that's when this spike came all the way here. You can see how long this spike is. You can see how long it is. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.